We've all learned in life that if you go to the professionals, the guys who know what to do, it's well worth hiring them, bringing them on, and letting them help you with your problems. As you go into retirement, that's no different. When you go to fill out your Social Security paperwork, do you know how? Do you know what all of those things mean? We do. We're here for you. When you got to fill out your Medicare paperwork, do you know what to put in those boxes? Are there things that can hurt you if you check the wrong things? Are there windows that maybe you didn't even know about? There are. We know about them. We're here to help you. Once you bring the Retirement Planning Team Network on and you become a member, we're here to help you with every step of retirement. That's from when you turn 62, 65, 67, 59 and a half, 70 and a half. All of these various ages that have magic trigger points to them. If you don't know what they are, you could be losing out on benefits. We do know what they are, and we're here to help you with them. So, we're here to help you. Welcome to your retirement, and welcome to the Retirement Planning Team Network.